Finding and attracting love using the law of attraction. What I'm about to share with you allowed me to attract my soulmate. We, in fact, got married in July, about 6 months ago. And I used a specific technique to attract her into my life. And I know there's a lot of videos out there and on the subject, and I wanted to share our take on how we did it quickly and fast. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. You can find and attract love, and you may think you're not worthy of it, and you may think there's no good guys left. You may think you can't find the right woman. Let me tell you, you can, you will, they're out there, it's part of your destiny, and here's how you do it. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Let's dive right into this video. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button right over there and hit the bell notification, because that's what's going to notify you for new videos. Subscribe, bell notification. Let's get right to the video. Number one, get clear on what it is that you want. So what I did is I pulled out a piece of paper and I wrote out all the characters, qualities, and things that I wanted out of that individual. So for some reason, I felt very attracted to being with an artist. I'd never dated an artist. I didn't really know any. I grew up as a jock. And now, you know, at this time, I was building my career as an author, so I was a creative, and I wanted to meet another creative. And I didn't want someone that was like doing quite the same thing as me. I wanted something slightly different. So I wrote out I wanted to date an artist, super fit, in great shape, played sports growing up, and I had all these things that I wanted out of it. And lo and behold, that was exactly what Ashley is. She's a professional wood burning artist and, you know, is highly successful at it and has these fantastic pieces that are sold all over the world. She grew up playing soccer, extremely fit, something we super connect on as we go to the gym and exercise pretty much every single day together. And it blew my mind. Literally almost to the T on this piece of paper is what Ashley was. And so the first thing you do is write all of that out, what it is that you want. Now, most people don't even do this. What they do is they say, well, I mean, if it was that easy, I'd already have it. They say, yeah, but you don't understand. The last 7 years, the last 14 years, my whole life, it's never worked out. There's no good guys left. I'm unworthy of love. This won't work. And they don't even do it. When you go to a movie and you watch Brad Pitt and he's playing a character and you sit down, you don't yell out to everyone, hey, everyone, hey, do you guys realize this is fake? That's Brad Pitt right there. That's not the character in the movie. That's Brad Pitt. This isn't even real. This isn't real. This isn't real. No, you suspend your disbelief, and that's what allows you to get emotionally involved in the storyline, that allows you to have an emotional experience to a movie. You suspend your disbelief. And what you have to do is suspend your disbelief and write out what it is that you want out of a loving partnership of whomever and whatever it is that you want. That's step number one. Step number two, find your purpose, your goals, and your meaning in life. So, attraction is a magnetic factor. When you're connected and comfortable with yourself, you know what it is that you want, you have a magnetism to you that other people pick up on. People call that charisma or magnetism or attraction. So the question is, what do you want out of your life? And if it takes 1 year, it may take tomorrow, but let's say it takes 1 year for you to attract your soulmate. How can you fulfill yourself now? See, nobody likes needy. Needy is creepy. And when you find and you live from your best life without needing somebody else to validate and fulfill you and fill your cup, what happens is when you do meet people that you are attracted to, your cup is already filled. Therefore, on an unconscious level, you are a magnetizing energy to the other people. Yet most people are trying to find love with an empty cup. They're going to the people and they're saying, "Fill my cup, please. Fill it for me, please." It's not attractive. You have to fill your own cup. So the question is, what would have to happen in the next 12 months for you to have the best year of your entire life? And then do those things. Write them on a piece of paper. What would have to happen in the next 12 months for you to have the best year of your entire life? What would have to happen in the next 12 months for you to have the best year of your entire life? What are you living for? What are your dreams? What are your goals? How can you go out there and live purposefully now on those things? What are your dreams? What are your goals? What do you want? See, that is a powerful energy when you know those things, because you already have your cup full. All of a sudden, you're an attractive human being to whoever it is that you start to date, meet, network with, because your cup is full. And they love that. Other people want that. They want to be with someone like that. People always say, a relationship is two halves coming together to make a beautiful whole. No, that's not a relationship. A relationship is two absolutely full cups that get poured into another cup, and then it starts a fantastic waterfall because it's overflowing because the two cups are totally filled. So what happened to me was I thought someone was my soulmate and ended up not working out. It was really heartbreaking. And I finally said to myself, if I never, I guess this wasn't meant to be, and if I never attract my soulmate, fine, I'll be happy. I'm going to go and make a happy life for myself instead of thinking that I need someone else to validate me. And that's when I started taking my happiness seriously, my purpose seriously, and my career seriously. I started focusing and putting energy into these things that would fulfill me spiritually, mentally, emotionally. And I was on that path, and then I met Ashley, who's now my wife, and when I met her, I was in that energy already. It was magnetizing. She was in that energy already for herself. It was magnetizing. And then it brought us together to create a more powerful energy for two people that already had that. So that's step number 2. And it's very important that you don't miss that step, because even if you do attract the right person, at some point the relationships gets hiccups if both people are needing each other to fulfill them. It's about you finding your purpose, your goals, your passion, what fulfills you, and then the two of you come together and the energy is stronger. Number 3, let go of needing it to happen. Let go of needing it to happen, because if you need it to happen, what you're really saying to your subconscious mind is, this is not happening and it might not happen and I really need it to happen to be fulfilled. So your subconscious accepts the energy of lack and limitation. Psychologists say 95% of your life is controlled by your subconscious mind. So that means that 95% of your thoughts, your feelings, your actions, and your results of your life, the circumstances of your life, are controlled by your subconscious. Sub means below, so it's below conscious. It's habitual. You don't control it unless you reprogram it, and that's another story. But unless you can let go of needing it, then you're programming it with lack. So the subconscious mind, it matches that energy in your reality, and it brings circumstances and situations that confirm your own lack and limitation. Then you say, see, there's no good guys left. Because you really need it and you're like, it's not happening. So you're programming your energy with lack. And then when it doesn't happen, you say, see, there's no good guys left. I told you, this doesn't work. There's no good guys left. And men say, there's no cool women. I can't find a cool women. They're either really pretty or they're really cool, and they're not both, and I can't find the middle ground. Because if you program your energy with that, then that's all you're going to get. So it goes back to step number 2, and step number 1, which is writing it down, getting clear on it, knowing that already exists, and now you have to get in vibrational harmony with it to attract it into your existence. And that comes from letting go of it, trusting that the universe will bring it to you on divine timing. And now you have to walk your hero's journey. You have to walk your path. You have to live your truth. You have to live your best life. You have to pull the greatness out within you, because when your king or your queen, whoever it is, comes into your life, you're ready. You're already there. You're present. You're fulfilled. You don't need it, but you desire it to experience more life. And that's what makes attraction work, and that's what makes relationships powerful. So let go of needing it, because you already have all the keys to fulfillment within yourself. In the Bible it says, seek the kingdom of heaven first. Seek that kingdom of heaven within yourself. Seek the fulfillment, the joy, the God energy, the fulfillment, the purpose within yourself, and write all the things you want out of a relationship, but don't be needing it. And when you find that kingdom of heaven within yourself, it's going to come to you at the perfect time. For me, how I attracted Ashley was absolutely out of nowhere. I had written all that stuff down and whatnot, and I was living my life, but I wasn't dating anyone, and I got a call from someone who said, hey, it's my birthday up in Santa Barbara, which is about 5 hours from where I was living at the time, and one of my friends has a really cute daughter, and I want you to meet her. And I was like, 5 hours? I'm not going to drive. I don't really want to go there. And he said, come on, just go. So I just decided, hey, what the heck? I've let go. I'll surrender to whatever life brings me. And I went. Boom, we met. It was magic. Game over. And, you know, my life's never been the same since. And so that's what it's about. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification right over there. The bell notification is what notifies you for a new video. So double check you've actually hit the bell notification. It's right over there in the corner. Hashtag down below, I am love. I attract love. Comment down below, I am love, I attract love. The essence of who you are is pure love. And when you find that kingdom of heaven within you, when you find that truth within yourself, you don't get what you want, you attract what you are. You don't get what you want, you don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. You attract your own energy. And when you have that love within yourself, love for your life, you're living purposefully, all of these great things, you know what it is that you want, but you're living it internally, then your energy field brings those people into your experience. So I am love, I attract love. Share this video with someone you think will dig it. If this speaks to you, please make sure you watch this back through. It's very important that whenever you find videos that speak to you, you watch them back through, because that's how they implant the subconscious mind. So if this spoke to you, watch this back through for a second time. Take some notes on it. Make sure you actually do all of these exercises. Extra points to anyone that comments down all of the steps from this video. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. You are a powerful creator. You are worthy of love. You're deserving of love. And the essence of who you are is pure love. Have a fantastic day. I'll talk to you soon.